Hi there, my name is YAJE'S, a mom, a wife, a black gardener on YouTube, and a health influencer. I want to show you how you can grow your own garden so that together we can be healthier. Hello tribe, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garden. So this is the country njamsu, also known as the garden huckleberry. The scientific name is Solanum scabrum. The common name for it is black nightshade. We cultivate this for the leaves. The leaves are edible and the berries are not edible. My backyard African vegetable garden is about growing indigenous or ancestral African or tropical vegetables in the USA, so out here in the diaspora. I have been pushing the zone and growing African vegetables in my backyard here in Houston for more than 20 years now. My mission is to encourage everyone to grow at least one vegetable that they enjoy in their own backyard. I grow vegetables such as bitterleaves, okra, Anchia, African garden eggs, and my favorite African garden huckleberry, also known as njamsu or the njama. In the garden, I have water leaves, sweet bitter leaves, ugu or the okong obong, and so on and so forth. I am also experimenting with tropical fruits like pawpaw, other people know it as papaya, guava, soursop, and so on and so forth. I strongly believe that growing your own food is a revolutionary act. Aside from the obvious benefits of getting and enjoying the freshest, most nutrient-dense version of the produce, gardening is therapeutic. I don't know how to explain it, but it just grounds me. I hope this year you consider starting a garden. Yes, you can grow a garden. There's no failure. Don't say you have a brown thumb. You can always start with the vegetables that you enjoy and then learn from there. My goal is to get at least 20 people to start growing these unique ethnic African vegetables in their backyards this 2022. I have put together what I'm calling an ethnic seed box for you. It has a total of 10 seed packets. If you need a seed pack, contact me via WhatsApp. The number is on the screen. Supplies are limited. So I have that seed box available, but if you want just, one kind of seed, we can also make that happen. My mission is to get you to grow something this year. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your support. Kindly share this video with one or two other people so that we can grow health together.